Samsung's latest flagship smartphones. The Galaxy S24 Ultra and its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, while they may look alike at first glance, there are subtle and not-so-subtle differences between the two devices that could sway your decision on whether or not to upgrade. PLZ, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Stick around as we explore every aspect, from design and build to camera performance, software updates, and more, to help you make an informed choice. Both the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra share a familiar triple ring design, but the S24 introduces a titanium frame for increased durability and a matte finish for a more premium feel. While the size and weight are similar, the S24 Ultra offers a flat display compared to the curved display of the S23 Ultra, which may be more practical for everyday use. The introduction of Gorilla Armor on the front display of the S24 Ultra enhances scratch resistance and reduces reflections, improving overall display quality. Despite the similarities in size and resolution, the S24 Ultra's display offers improved peak brightness of up to 2,600 nits compared to the 750 nits of the S23 Ultra, making it more suitable for outdoor use. However, some users may notice a slight decrease in vibrancy on the S24 Ultra due to the anti-reflective coating of Gorilla Armor, though the difference may not be significant for most users. While the camera hardware remains largely similar between the two devices, the S24 Ultra introduces a significant upgrade with a 50-megapixel 5x zoom camera, offering improved optical zoom capabilities. The S24 Ultra's zoom camera performs exceptionally well, especially in the 5x zoom range, where it outperforms the S23 Ultra and rivals other flagship smartphones on the market. Additionally, the S24 Ultra offers AI features and improved image processing, resulting in sharper images and reduced shutter lag compared to its predecessor. Software updates and future-proofing. One area where the S24 Ultra shines is in software updates, offering up to 7 generations of Android OS updates compared to the S23 Ultra's promise for generations. This makes the S24 Ultra a more future-proof option for users looking to keep their device up to date with the latest features and security patches for years to come. While the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra may not seem like a significant upgrade from the S23 Ultra at first glance, closer examination reveals several improvements that could make it worth considering, from the enhanced durability and display quality to the improved camera performance and software updates. The S24 Ultra offers a compelling package for users looking to stay ahead of the curve. However, if you're satisfied with your current device and don't feel the need for the latest features, there's no pressure to upgrade. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade boils down to your individual preferences and priorities. So weigh the pros and cons carefully before making your choice. Thanks for tuning into our detailed comparison of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision about whether or not to upgrade. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences with these devices. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons in the future. Until next time, happy upgrading!